Good morning, everyone. I am Krati Bagrecha from 11th Humanities. Today I am here in front of you all to give you a brief explanation of the topic Geography of Mesopotamia. But before we start, let's have a quick recap of Mesopotamia and why do we study Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is word derived from a Greek word mean Mesos mean middle and Potamus mean river. The land between two rivers is called Mesopotamia, and the two rivers are Tigris and the Euphrates. And my next question, why do we study Mesopotamia? The reason behind that, it has rich, voluminous literature, mathematics, astronomy, city life, and prosperity. And I think you are well aware about that, the first city life developed in Mesopotamia. So, let's begin with our topic, Geography of Mesopotamia. Geography of Mesopotamia divided into four parts. First is northeast region. It's diverse environment and undulating plains. What do you mean by undulating plains? If I know, plains mean a straight or a straight land, but undulating plains mean irregular shapes of land is known as undulating plains with clear and wide flowers and streams. And most importantly, it have enough condition, enough rainfall. And if I'm not wrong, these are the condition of the agriculture. And yes, now in northeast region, agriculture began in 7000 to 6000 BC. BC mean before Common Era. Okay, so let's move to our second region. It's north region. It stretches of upland known as steppe. What do you mean by steppe? In simple language, it's a grassland known as steppe. And in this region, animal herding is more preferred than the agriculture because it have the wide grasses. That's why. And after the winter rains, sheep, goats feed on the grasses and low shrubs that grow here. Okay, so all of these you have a conclusion that agriculture is not so preferred in this region because of the weather condition, environmental condition, and what do you mean by low shrubs? Low shrubs is I think you have studied in the science that is is this shape is known as low shrubs with an unwanted grass particles known as low shrubs. Okay, so these are the two regions. Let's move to our third region is East region. In East region, it is the tributaries of Tigris. Tigris, I think this river you are well aware about that river. Is that river that make Mesopotamia between two rivers, Tigris and the Euphrates. So the river Tigris is provide a communication route between the mountains of the Iran. I repeat, this river provide a communication route between the mountains of the Iran. So that's all about the East region. So let's move to our South region last but not the least. And this region is most important. Okay, so why it is so important? The reasons are, this is the desert region, but it is a contradictory that in this region is where the first city life and writing system is emerged. But how can the city life and writing system emerge in this region where they don't have enough rainfall? And as we all are aware about that, the city lives are mostly developed near the region where I have clear streams or river regions. Okay, so why desert, the city life and writing emerged? The region behind that is the Euphrates and the Tigris flow from the north mountains to the south, and it carry lots of silt. Silt means fine mud that you can say उपजाऊ मिट्टी, जहाँ पे agriculture जो conditions होती है, it can be more preferred. That's why city life and writing system emerge first in the south region. Next is water flows out in small channels. This function as a irrigation channels. As you all know that as Euphrates and Tigris carry lots of silts and it flows from the small channels, and we call them this irrigation canals. And the crops grow here are wheat, barley, peas, and the lentils. This all about the geography of Mesopotamia. Okay, but I have a question for you. Is Mesopotamia's geography is all about agriculture? It is? Okay, the answer is no. Okay. Sheep, goat that graze on the steppe and northeast plains and the mountains. Okay. And why these are grazing northeast plains, mountains, steppe? Because they have on high altitude and high tech where the river cannot flood and fertilize. That is why they prefer animal herding and sheep and goats graze here. Next. It produces meat, milk and wool in abundance, and further fishes are available in river, and date palms give fruits in the summer. So that's all about the geography of Mesopotamia. Thank you for your valuable time. Have a great day.